The 15th FINA World Swimming Championships will be held from 16 to 21 December 2021 in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It was previously scheduled for 13 to 18 December but moved back 3 days on 24 February 2021. Originally scheduled to be held in 2020, the championships were pushed back 1 year as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Competition will take place in a 25-meter temporary pool installed at Etihad Arena. In September 2021, it was announced the championships would be part of a larger aquatics program called the Abu Dhabi Aquatics Festival, which includes competition in open water swimming, diving, and high diving. The qualification period for competing at the 2021 World Swimming Championships ran from 1 December 2019 through 28 November 2021. On 23 November 2021, FINA announced it would take into consideration times swum as part of the 2021 International Swimming League and allow them to count towards qualification for the 2021 World Championships. In addition to country-specific selection procedures, competitors were required to achieve a qualifying A or B time in an event to qualify for the individual or a relay event, with individual entries capped at 2 competitors per country and relay entries capped at 1 team per country. Below are the qualifying times for the 2021 World Championships as determined by FINA. An opening ceremony is scheduled to precede the start of pool swimming competition on 16 December, followed by competition from 16 December to 21 December and concluding with a closing ceremony on 21 December. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.